I've just put the laser light on just because I love it. Yeah? Okay, let's move forward with the video. We're going to tell you what that's about. See you in a minute. Bye. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Tradespeople's Tips again. Today we have a Quooker tap that we're unboxing. See what you get for your money. So if we flip that open, just like that, and we have a lovely looking velvety container. We open that, and inside we have our tap. There it is. We have an electrical connector with a plug on it. It's a mini jack, and you have your hot and cold. Actually, you have 3 water supply. You have one for the hot, one for your cold, and then you have another one inside here. And this bit here, it twists and turns. Well, it twists one way, it won't go back there. Press, there you go. Press and turn. Press, flips up, press and turn. Okay? That will allow your tap to rotate that way. You press it down again and lock it. That doesn't seem to have an effect on it at all. At the bottom here, we have a slider that operates there, which pulls this cable here, you see, out and back. So when this is installed, you'll be able to do that. And the bottom's popped off, and it should come back that way. That I'm not sure of the connections, but we'll show you when it's been installed how the connections work, hopefully. So I just pop that back on there, and this is your controls: hot, down, forward, that way. Okay, that's about it. Just put that back. Let me just rest this. No, I won't rest it. I'll put it back in its bag. Wow, baby, wow. Alright, we'll put that back there for now. Let's see what else we have in our packaging. We have, pull that through back that way. These are our hot and cold tap, and inside the packaging you have 2 filters. The filters will just fit inside here. That's just to filter out the water and lime spill and stuff like that. So if we put that to one side, let's just put it back in the package. We're not ready to use these. This fit in here, to me, it looks like a plug and play fitting. Let me just get our taps back out again. Actually we don't, we just need the ends of it. So, if I get that off, look at this, does that fit in there? No, it doesn't. Does that fit in there? No, it doesn't. Does it fit in there? Possibly. No, there's a thread in there for it to be screwed into. There's no thread. There's a thread on here and a little rubber washer. So possibly that could fit in there. We won't cross thread it. Be careful when you're attaching it if you should choose to. And there, that fits on there. Right? We don't know how the connections work out yet, so we're going to put that one back onto there. Put that one back there. These 2 we know will go onto your blue for cold and red for hot. So this end of it here, can you see this end? In our packaging, there's our blue. Because of the pipe, you see the blue lines on it? They will go screw into there, and the other end fits on your main feed from your water outlets, blue and red, blue and red, blue and red. Now this one, the middle one, and this one, we're gonna figure out as we go along. And this one, this here, it's got a knot on the end of it, so we need something that it screws onto. So obviously it's not here. Here is what you get in your packaging. I'm not sure what this is all about, but we're gonna try and figure it all out. Then you have these extra large washers. I'm not sure what those are for neither. Probably to feed it to the sink. There's a little washer just there. I'm not sure what that's about neither. These, again, not sure what they're about neither. But so far as I've been looking and talking to you through this lot, I do not see an instruction. So I'm going to put that back there, which will come through here, just like that. And fold that back down, like that. Alright, get our tap back in its bag. We'll put that back in there. Okay, we'll close that up. And we'll see what's in our second package, because they both came together, both strapped together. So if I just put that to one side for a minute, this is our second box that comes with it. Let's try and do that. And inside here, we pull that up, I think. Get my hand behind there. In here, we have installation guide, right? This is to tell you how to fit it in and everything. So we're not gonna open that yet because we will. Sod it, let's open it. Alright, because it looks like it's resealable anyway. So, get that open. And inside here, let me just show you. You can get through it page by page. There you go. Actually, there is more than one manual. Alright, so we're not going to go through the manual because we won't be installing this thing, and if we do, then we will go through it. This is just merely an unboxing. It's not an installation and setup that we're doing. Alright, so we're going to put those back in just for the time being. Alright, I'm just going to put that there, and here we have this canister that has got another little nice package around it, and it's got a connector there, and it's got a mains plug here. On the bottom, it's got a control. Not sure what that does unless I'm going to the instruction, but this is just, whoa, this looks really pretty. So we're gonna, nah, we ain't gonna plug it in. We'll leave it to the electrician because we ain't gonna be fitting it. So we don't wanna plug it in, and because it ain't got water in it, it's gone crazy or it does something mad. Alright, so there it is. Okay. Alright, so if we just put this to one side for a minute. Here it is another little instruction to register it. Okay, so we put that back in there. Put that back on there. Put that back on there. And in our box, we have, let me just rest that down there for a minute. We have a little box that is come with it. We open that. There. There. And there. And there. Inside here we have a lot of fittings. These washers also. Fittings you probably find they're universal. Right, that one should connect to that somehow. There you go. Depending on the system you have, how it's gonna work. But for the time being, we're just simply doing an unboxing and showing you what you get for your money. So if we close this back up, so when the plumber comes along, he doesn't say there are bits missing. We disguise the fact that we've been in here and interfered with it. Alright? That goes back on there. That flips out there. That goes in there somewhere, somehow. Maybe they won't even be checking it, they'll be just ripping it to shreds. Just to get in the packaging to see what's in it. Okay, we're back going through the instructions of how to fit it up and everything. We are not 100% certain apart from the fact that it's got this cable here. And we've closed up the other box. Somehow this has got to connect to the other one. And plug it in. This is probably going to be a temperature setting, something, I guess. So your water doesn't burn your hands or anything like that. I'm thinking outside the box. So I'm just going to put that in. Back inside there, just like that. Nice and tidy. Our instruction manual. Oh, this is supposed to hold the pipe and the cable in it. Just put that in there for now. Instruction manual, back on there, that one back on there. And that's about it. So, once again, ladies and gentlemen, thanks for joining us on Tradespeople's Tips. And for those who are out there robbing people, stop doing it. Okay? So we're going to close this all up and we'll see you on our next video. But if you take a look to your right or your left, you will see our kitchen that we are doing. This is where this all comes in, and we're in the middle of figging and fiddling and fiddling and figging, and yeah. Till next time, we're just gonna give you a quick glance of what's going on, and stop robbing people. See ya.